Here at NAB 2019, had a chance to play with the new battery grip for the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera that offers supposedly about 2 hours of battery life. Makes it look more like a DSLR, make you want to do more handheld, but feels pretty decent. Made out of pretty good plastic. You get two Sony batteries in the inside, which is great. Kind of get you away from the LPE6s. I was wondering how they got 2 hours of battery life out of two Sony or two Canon batteries, but they're using Sony. So that's probably why. It would have been nice if they had a huge battery pack here to slide in instead of these 2 batteries, but these batteries are inexpensive. You can get them dirt cheap on Amazon, and you can find them anywhere. So 2 hours of battery life is what they're saying from it to help improve what people complain about most with the Blackmagic Pocket camera, and that's the battery life. All right, guys, see you next video.